My name is Wesley Bedrosian. I'm an illustrator working in the United States of America in the Boston, Massachusetts area, and I'm very excited to be working on this project. Traditionally, I'm an editorial illustrator, so I work with text and I boil things down to their essence. I work in a pen and ink style with painted backgrounds that I've been doing for years that started traditionally. And of course, now I do it all digitally. I like to have single images that say everything. And so when I was asked to do just one spread, it actually was right in my comfort zone. I was very happy to do it. I was presented for this particular project to talk about farming and sustainability. And I saw the fact that there's an imbalance with nature and farming and how that's affecting the globe. So I took the idea of an imbalance like a waterfall and mashed it up with a farm and put the two together. And I thought that would be a nice metaphor that was very open to interpretation and really gets down to the feeling when things aren't the way they're supposed to be. Try to figure out a way to make the work that you would like to see in the world and really use sketchbooks to hone your craft and draw the things that you really love to draw. It's interesting how much you learn from sketchbooks. You learn who you are as an artist while you're drawing. And look at what's happening in the world, see what you feel about it, and try to find a way to get your opinions honestly on the page.